Okay, hello everybody. I'm Dr. Tennant. Welcome to Literacies in the Digital Age, ET 725. So, purpose of the screencast is just give you a basic overview of what you're in for these next 8 weeks. So you obviously clicked here to get to the screencast you're watching now. So let's just jump right in. This is a forum. It's a non-graded forum, and this is your icebreaker. You may know each other, or you may not. But I don't know any of you, so if you can share a little bit about yourself, and at some point I'll put mine in here too. But I'm guessing over the next 8 weeks we're going to get to know each other pretty well. So the syllabus is here, and I sent this out to everybody. This is the official document for this course. I have everything laid out, and I do believe it's a lot cleaner and easier to kind of manage in the Moodle shell. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time here, but it's all here. This is, everything's driven by the essential questions. There's the resources, the activities, but you're going to see it all in Moodle. Don't worry too much about that. And I spell out what I need done for you guys to meet the requirements of the course. The Zoom meeting, we're going to see how that looks. I think it happens 3 times. I try to give you a couple of chances for each module that does have one. I think there's only 3 modules that have a Zoom meeting. And I know we all have things going on. We have lives. So just communicate with me where it comes to the attendance part. Try to get it to where you can be there and make an appearance. But the beauty of an online course is very flexible, and I'm here for your success. I'm here to support you, and obviously I expect you guys to support each other, and we'll get this done. This 8 weeks will be over with before you know it. The signature assignment, that's something you're going to want to be working on throughout, and there are checkpoints, again, just to keep you on track. But this is the official grades and all of that. But I spell everything out in each module, and it should be fairly simple to understand the requirements, expectations as we roll through the modules. Here's a signature assignment. Okay, come on. So, man, I look at this and I'm like, oh boy, I got 6 pages here. That's a lot. What you need to know about this is basically your requirements. I mean, in a nutshell, what you're doing is you're creating an infographic, and you're going to also complete an annotated bibliography. So you can Google anything. All the APA stuff. I know I use this website a lot, but this is pretty much the how-to on an annotation example, annotated bibliography example. Just scroll down to the APA one. You don't want to do the MLA one. Not big on word counts, but there's a way to do this, and use the FPU, the online library, or anything you can get your what I call peer-reviewed or scholarly articles, textbooks, anything you can find, and you're going to want to cite it in APA format. Again, Al Purdue is solid where it comes to telling you how to do that. You're going to need this. You should be doing APA already. I'm guessing you have in perhaps some of your other courses. But you can read through this here. Each module is a type of digital literacy. You're going to want to choose one of those. I kind of went back and forth. Do I want to assign these? Not really, because I want you to choose the one that either is most relevant to you, or perhaps it maybe you need to learn more about, and that, and you'll choose that. So hopefully this will all work out to where all of us aren't doing the same one. But either way, I hope that you choose one that raise your capacity a little bit. But I'm not going to get in the way of that. You choose which one works for you. And the module work will get us through the other types of literacy that, we need to cover for the sake of this class. So if I'm guessing some of you will have some questions, but, just hit me up and I will work with you. We'll figure this out. So take a look at all this. You could read through it. Here's all the official business down here. Okay. So that pretty much covers what I needed to cover. Let me just scroll through here and kind of show you what it all looks like. But obviously this course is set up in modules. Each module will have the essential questions, the tasks, they'll be numbered. The resources will be numbered according to the task that they are assigned to or married to, however you want to put that. A lot of TED Talks, we have some articles, we have some videos. Obviously we have our textbook work. Each module will have a summary of learning. Sometimes you'll see the signature assignment checkpoint. I'm a comics guy and a quote guy, so you'll see that. Each time you get into a module and I open one up, which I'll typically open one or two up at a time. We'll probably start with just the first module being open. You want to click on the overview. It's a screencast, obviously. But communication is key. Flexibility is the beauty of this course. Want you to be successful, but I do understand, we have family, we have things going on, we have work. So I get it. Another thing you want to know about me is, as you'll see when I do post in my introduction, I work at Corcoran State Prison. There is no access to my cell phone or my FPU email during the day from 7 to 3:30. So I'll check my emails when I get out to the car or my messages. Text me. My phone number is on the syllabus. And we'll get you going. We'll get you dialed in. So I'll just kind of scrolling through. You got to see where we're at. And at the end, as I think I'll be saying in this screencast here, this might look a little different at the end. I think there might be some exit interview stuff. But this is the course. A lot going on. It's going to be a fast and furious 8 weeks, but I do believe it's manageable. With the, where's one of them at so I can point to it? With the Zoom meetings, let's just do the best we can. Might be a little rocky start, but we'll see how it goes. I use Google Hangout typically, but I know that Matt Garrett, my boss, was saying let's use the integrated Zoom meeting. So let's see how that looks, and we're going to work it out. I'll be at Q when this course starts, and maybe some of you will be down there. If you are, hit me up and we'll get together if you want. But I think this is good for this screencast. So I'll see you in there, and I wish you all the best of luck, but you'll be great. You'll be fine. Okay? All right. Take care, everybody. We'll see you online.